Hello everybody, so today I'll be showing you how you can insert links and images in an HTML page. So these links are going to basically help you if you have entered any text. Just click on the text and it will redirect you to the page that is the link that you have given. And the images will get inserted in your HTML page. So let me just show you. So here you can see this text as visit the coding bike. Now the difference between this and a H1 paragraph is, I'll just write and show you. So here I'm going to write H1, then for example write AC, then just close this H1. Now just refresh and now you can see that visit the coding bike, the hand arrow appears when you just click on this visit the coding bike, and whereas when I go on the header, this option comes to select this header. So let me just click on it and you can see I'll be redirected to my channel. So first of all, for doing this you are going to require a head. So first of all give an enter if you have started, or else you can start writing after the head. Now give an angle bracket A head href. Make sure you don't make any spelling mistakes. Now an equal to and a double column. So this is very important that you close this double column, otherwise this link is not going to appear as well as your text is not going to appear. So for example, I can just choose any link I want. So I'll just go to YouTube over here, choose its link, Control C, and then put this link over here. So it's a bit long, that's why it went over here. Now close this and you're done. Now you can write, if you want something, you can write visit YouTube. Yeah, perfect. Now close that A that you started with A. Yeah. Now just click on the save icon and run this code. And you will see that this comes when I click on visit YouTube, it will redirect me to this page. So you might have think that why this link is short and why this is long. This is a long link because it was a YouTube link. So some links are long while others are short. So I'm going to show you for the image. So give an angle bracket, type img space source. So the full form of source is the short form for source is src. We write it in HTML like that. Now an equal to sign and a double quote. Now you need to give your path for the file, like I've given over here, C users Achintya desktop download 1. That's the name of my JPG, and C users is where I have kept my file, and desktop means I have put it on desktop. And make sure to give this .jpg or .png and close this double quote as well. Now a lot of people just do this mistake that they add a double column. So you're not supposed to add a double column when you're inserting an image, because if you insert a double column, it is already going to insert one more double column. For example, I just take this image, copy as path. Now you notice that it has already taken the double quote automatically. So I just need to close this angle bracket, Control S. And now you will see that I'll just run this and you can see that this image has come over here. So you need to type img space src and make sure you don't make this mistake. Don't type the double quotes in this when you're inserting an image, because it automatically inserts an image when it automatically inserts double quotes. So I'm going to show you one more feature that will help you make image inserting easy. So what you have to do is click on this right arrow. At the same time you have to press your shift key. When you press this together, some option is going to come as copy as path. As soon as you click on this path, you can just copy this full path and just save it. You can copy the full path of the image. See, I've taken this same path. So now you can copy the full thing you want. So like that, there's another way also, but that's a bit lengthy. So first you have to go here, properties, then select the C users, then select this. So instead of doing this thing, you can just press right key and shift. So, and remember for the link that it is href, not herf. The same mistake I did and it was not working. So you remember, you should write href. And that's it for today. Hope you like the video, guys, and in next video I'll be showing you how to change the width and height in image and how you can change the text align. So that's it. Bye bye.